Hey, what is going on, everybody? I'm back with another banger video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Headball 2 for absolutely free, guys. Basically, what this mod or menu or hack, whatever you want to call it, will allow you to do is you can get unlimited gems, guys, and unlimited coins. As you can see, every offer is $0.000. Basically, I can just go ahead and I will show you it later on in the tutorial. I can buy as many gems, coins, anything you want, guys. You can make the best character. You can have all of the abilities, guys. It's absolutely insane. I've been having such a blast playing this game. Like, it's absolutely made this game way more fun and way crazier than it already is. And I know how much you guys love this game. That's why you clicked on the video, obviously. And in today's video, I will be showing you how you can get Headball 2 for absolutely free. Guys, remember, this works on both Android and iOS devices, which is the best part. And your account won't get banned for this. You can go ahead and play against your teammates with a max character, max stats, max abilities, guys. It's absolutely insane. I've been having such a blast just trolling around with my friends and just showing them how strong I am in the game using this insane, really cool hack that I found. So, guys, I know you're just dying and asking me how you can get this Headball 2 hack for free. So, guys, without me further talking, let me just get started in the tutorial, show you guys what you need to do. Let's go. Alright, guys, I will be showing this on my iOS device, but remember, as I said in the intro, this works on both iOS and Android devices, guys. It's absolutely insane. It can work on any device that you have, no matter regarding if it's old or new. So, guys, let me just go ahead and quickly show you how the app looks like here. As you can see, it says Headball 2 and here, let me just go ahead and open up the game real quick. As you can see, as I showed you in the intro, guys, every offer is absolutely free here. As you can see, every offer says $0.000. And for now, I want you to pay attention to my gems. As you can see now, right now I have 30, but once I click on this, as you can see, I will get 9,000 plus 2,000 for first purchase. So let me go ahead and click on that, and I should get, there you go, 11,030 gems for absolutely free. You can just go ahead and buy as many gems as you want, and you can just keep on buying and buying. You can have literally the best character and maxed out stats. So, guys, that is pretty much it for the proof part. Let me just go ahead and close that. As you saw, it's 100% legit, and it actually works no matter how insane it sounds. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go into settings. Once you're here, scroll down until you find general, then make sure you click on background app refresh twice. In here, you just need to make sure that it's on, guys. Either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data will work. It really doesn't matter which one, just make sure that it's on. After you've done that, guys, you can go all the way back to settings, go down until you find battery. In here, all you have to do is just make sure that low power mode is disabled, guys. So make sure the icon should be black and not yellow. Just make sure that it's disabled. If you've done that, guys, the last step in settings, just go ahead and go into App Store. In here, all you have to do is just make sure the automatic downloads is on, guys. So just make sure that it's on so you can actually install the actual app or game. Now, once you've done that, guys, you can just go ahead and close that. We don't need settings anymore. We're done with that. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the browser of your choice. I have Safari because I'm an iOS device. And here in the search bar, just go ahead and type in apptab.co. Let me just see if I can spell it out correctly. If you want, guys, just go ahead and pause the video, follow along. apptab.co, not com. So once you've done that, go and click on next, and now it's going to take you to this wonderful site. So as you can see, this site has a bunch of cool modded versions of apps and games you can use and download. But for now, again, we're only interested in Headball, as I said in the intro and as I showed you. So go ahead and type in Headball in the search bar, and it should pop up right here. Go ahead and click on install, then download. Now once you've done that, guys, it's going to get your main files ready and downloaded, and your additional files. Now it's going to say connecting with your iOS device or Android. This process works for both devices. It really doesn't matter which one, guys. I know how crazy it sounds, but believe me. So now once it's all downloaded here, it's just gonna say process aborted. I don't want you guys to panic once you're on this step, because a lot of people just go ahead and panic and they close it, think it's not gonna work. No, guys, all you have to do is just go ahead and pass human verification to continue downloading Headball 2 So all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and click on verify, and once you've done that, just go ahead and follow the instructions that it says. And after you've done that, it should take literally only a few minutes, and after a quick restart on your phone, guys, Headball 2 should automatically be installed on your device. So, guys, that's pretty much it for how to download this insanely cool app. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.